Hey everybody, so as many of you know, I'm balding! Actually, I've pretty much balded. It depends who you ask. I like to think I'm just still in the progression stage, and somehow YouTube knew this. So they showed me an infomercial for this product. It's Caboki. I think that's how you call it. Anyway, I signed up and got a free sample, and I'm here to try it out. Now, supposedly, I looked at the reviews and stuff like that and the instructions, and you are supposed to, like, do your hair before you add these producto. Now, I got it in the color of medium brown, because I like to think my hair is kind of medium brown. So, I believe this is just a powdery substance that I'm just going to basically sprinkle. Oh, look at that little peel here. Sprinkle on my head. And apparently it's going to make my hair look nice and full. This is really creepy. So you know what an etch and sketch is? When you draw on an etch and sketch, it has this kind of like hairy lead looking thing. They look like really tiny pieces of hair. My only thought is this going to be itchy because I'm going to stink. So I'm going out to town, and so I was like, I probably should try it today since I got my free sample in the mail. And if this works, this could be a permanent solution to looking good. Because if you haven't noticed, I've also slimmed down quite a bit. Yeah, you see that? It's nice and flat now. I dropped in pounds like I dropped in bills, which is very seldomly, so I like to think it's nice. Anyway, about to try it out. So there's been a few different videos on how to do it, so I'm going to get a good old look. And as far as I know, I just kind of rub it like this. And nothing's happening. So, oh, okay, there we go. Guess I'm just going to spray. Oh, my hair is like pepper. Okay. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this without a mirror. Now, this is pretty crazy. Look how much hair I have right now. Okay. This is really interesting. Alright, so this look at the back of my head right now. Look how much hair it looks like I have. This is just so... I don't know how I'm thinking right now, because it looks like on the camera, it looks really powdery. In real life, it looks kind of nice. So I'm just going to kind of like, just set it. Set it, forget it, you know? And, now I'm not sure what I can do for this area. I feel like if I kick it on enough, here. Oh. Bam! This is my beard trimmer. Yeah, I have one of those. Okay. Okay. Why is nothing happening right here? I know I'm all okay. Alright. Alright, so this is a look. Alright, now I'm a hot, dirty mess. Wet my hands a little bit. Huh. Alright, well, so it looks like I somewhat succeeded on this side of things. But on this side, it's not even. So, I don't know how much powder I have to use. Okay. Let's just do it like that. Alright, and just massaging it kind of in my hair. Not sure if you're really supposed to do that. And BAM! Dude, I have hair. How cool is this? This is, you know what? I hate to share my secret with y'all, but I think I'm about to buy me some of this. It's really cheap from what I recognize, but I mean, it should be. It's just baking powder, probably. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Hashtag bald no more. I'm a new man. This is really interesting. Huh. What do you guys think? What do you think? Just tell me what you think, all right? Bye. All right. So what do you think?
What do I think for what? What did you do?
I got hair. What do you think?